What's up, you guys? Your girl Crystal K. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make these oatmeal cream pies right at home without all the unnecessary ingredients. So make sure you subscribe and like this video after you finish watching. Now, let's get right into the video. So first we're going to whisk together all of our dry ingredients. We're going to start off with some flour, then add in some cinnamon, some baking soda, and some salt, and just whisk that together. And then we're going to move on to the wet ingredients. Now we're going to add in our butter, our white sugar, brown sugar, and just cream that together for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add in an egg and mix that together for about another minute. And then we're going to also scrape down the sides. Don't forget to do that part. Then we're going to add in some molasses and some vanilla. I like to add the molasses straight from the bottle just because it's way too sticky to try to measure it out. So just eyeball it if you want to. And also don't forget the measurements are going to be down below in the description box. Then we're going to add in our dry ingredients and mix that together until it's just combined. Now if you guys want, you could just make these oatmeal cookies just straight up by itself. You don't even have to make the filling. Because these oatmeal cookies are really good by themselves. You can add in some raisins if you want. Have you a nice little snack. Joints is fire. Anyway, back to the video. We're just going to scrape down the sides. And then we're going to add in our oats. I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage. Liquid courage. I lick the scourge. Lick the scourge. You know what? So you want to go ahead and mix this in until it's just combined. Then we're just going to go ahead and scoop these out, flatten them out a little bit, and bake these on 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage. Liquid courage. I lick the scourge. I lick the scourge now. I'm starting to think. And the cookies should come out looking something like this. I know that it's still cookies, but I felt a little bit less guilty eating these. I know that it's butter, flour, and sugar, but I know exactly what's going into these. It's not a bunch of unnecessary ingredients on the back of the package. I felt a little bit better about eating these, even though they're so fattening, but it's all good. Anyway, let's get to the filling. We're going to mix some butter, some vanilla, some marshmallow fluff, not marshmallow cream, marshmallow fluff. Mix that together, and then we're going to add in our confectioner sugar, and then mix that together some more. And then we're going to go ahead and pipe this into our cookies and make some oatmeal cream pies. The easiest way to get your filling into a piping bag is to actually put it into a cup. Put your bag into a cup and then fill it like that instead of stressing yourself out trying to fill it, on top of the counter. This is the easiest way. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to fill this up. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Letting go, high control. Even though I wanna be locked, Lord has a fee. The dead is piled up like the leaves. No guarantees. Can we just enjoy the breeze? I beg of you, please not today. I'm still recovering from summer's blaze. Now it's time to put the filling onto our cookies. And I think that this is pretty self-explanatory, but I mean, you could fill it up as much or as little as you want to. And then we're just gonna put the other cookie on top, and then we're gonna have us some oatmeal cream pies. Listen, I think that we're gonna put Little Debbie out of business with these because you can make them right at home, and they're bigger. I mean, like yeah, hers is convenient. Like you just go to the corner store and get it. But listen, these are bigger. Okay, they don't have unnecessary ingredients in them. You can make them right at home. Like, what's not to lose? Like, I think we're gonna put her out of business. And this is what the final product looks like. You can make these smaller if you want to. This is just, you know, the ice cream scoop that I happen to use. And now we're going to break into it so I can show you guys how soft it is. Somebody on Instagram was trying to say my joints is probably hard because I ain't break into it. Boy, listen, my joints is soft, okay? You can see this from the video. And we're going to break into it again. Yes. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.